Currently in our area, 68 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. This afternoon, sunshine and clouds mixed. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High 75. Tonight, generally clear. Low 59. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Thursday, plentiful sunshine. High 83. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Responding to a hurricane is way more unpredictable. The divers can get trapped underwater. It's a significant challenge.
When everybody's running for the exit, those are the guys, the firefighters of the Marine Corps.
All of a sudden, we see that the boat is leaning to one side.
If it collapses at that moment, could be deadly. There's a very high risk and very high reward.
If it was easy, everybody would do it.
We're gonna win. We never lose.
Deepwater Salvage. All new episodes. Sunday nights, 8/7 Central. Only on the Weather Channel.
Welcome back into Weather Underground, sharing with you some new video out of Abbeville, Alabama. And here, a closer look at the ground truth. Of course, some damage reports coming in out of Abbeville. And there's a look at that tornado. You can see how low the cloud base is to the ground, though. So the other video that we showed you, you were definitely looking at that low-hanging wall cloud, but the actual tornado funnel obscured by the clouds. Here you can see from the base of the cloud to the ground that tornado and some of that debris at times being kicked up. Scary stuff, and unfortunately more scenes like this happening right now and later across the southeast. So we've got a lot to watch for here. By the way, Abbeville, about 25 miles to the north of Dothan. Take a look at all the warnings. Again, you can spot where the stationary front is, and then to the south, we have
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
some really strong thunderstorms. Even this morning, we started things off.
The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Pennsylvania, eastern Chester and western Chester. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of central Chester County through 2:45 p.m. At 2:08 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Parkersburg, or 15 miles southeast of New Holland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and half-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include West Chester, Coatesville, Westtown, Downingtown, Kennett Square, Parkersburg, Palmville, Cochranville, Marshallton, Powley, West Goshen, Malvern, Adland, South Coatesville, Modena, Exton, Thorndale, and Tufkanaman. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
I didn't see any lightning, but okay.
10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:45 p.m. for southeastern Berks, northwestern Montgomery, and north-central Chester counties. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Birdsboro, or 10 miles southeast of Reading, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Pottstown, Birdsboro, Elverson, New Morgan, Puttown, Shadarville, Gilbertsville, Stowe, Pottscroft, South Pottstown, Amity Gardens, Kenilworth, Flying Hills, Halfway House, Lorraine, and Sanatoga. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 302. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 9. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery. The following is a marine weather statement for the following marine locations: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northeastern Berks and southeastern Lehigh counties through 3 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a strong thunderstorm over Topton, or 11 miles southwest of Allentown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters reported pea-size hail Brainingsville. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Emmaus, Topton, Ancient Oaks, Zionsville, Fountainville, Marconi, Coopersburg, Albertus, and Fullerton. This includes the following highways: Northeast Extension between mile markers 45 and 58. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 46 and 63. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
What do you mean cloud-to-ground lightning? There's no cloud-to-ground lightning near where I am.
Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and service. The following is a marine weather statement for the following marine locations: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, and Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Wind shift with increasingly gusty winds this afternoon. A wind shift from southwest to west is expected between 1:30 and 3 p.m. this afternoon. Increasingly gusty winds are expected during this time, with a few gusts near gale force possible. Mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should consider seeking safe harbor for the afternoon.